this is Casey from Hot for Vegan, and I'm sharing with you my tofu green coconut curry dish that I made with organic pressed tofu using our tofu press.
Supposed to be over
this is our little tofu press right here, and yeah, it's a little bit messy at the moment, but that's okay. And what we do is put in about a tablespoon of avocado oil in the bottom, like spray it on with a spray so it's not too much. And then get that heated up first. Once it's hot enough, you'll add 2 pounds of pressed tofu, so that's 2 separate tofus in the little packages, and cut up into squares after it's pressed, drained and rinsed and drained again, and then pressed for about 15 to 20 minutes. You're going to add that, and then as you can see, I have asparagus, bell pepper, onion, garlic, spinach, basil, have thyme, cumin, nutritional yeast. We have a little bit of shiitake mushroom seasoning with a few drops of hot chili oil, some lemon juice, even though I normally would use a lime, but that's what we have on hand, so that's fine. And you use some salt and pepper, and I have this awesome organic green coconut curry that I've added to that, along with some Thai Kitchen full-fat coconut milk from a can. And so after I cook the tofu first with the veggies, especially starting with the asparagus first, I add the softer veggies at the very end. I don't like to do onion and garlic first because I like a fuller flavor with onion and garlic in it, so I like to do it closer to the end. And then over here we have our soba noodles, which is just after you cook it for 7 minutes. You start the water boiling for 7 minutes, add your soba noodles into it, which is just a 8-ounce package, and then you're going to turn down the heat to simmer, which is the lowest possible setting that you boil it at. And then once that's done after 7 minutes, you drain it and put it back in the pot. And I add a little bit of, little splash or 2 of rice vinegar. Add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And I'll add just about, a 1/4 of a teaspoon of, or even less, 1/8 of a teaspoon, somewhere between there, of toasted sesame oil. Add some sesame seeds and a tiny little bit of crushed red pepper and just a pinch of sea salt. Stir that up, and when I say a pinch of sea salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon is fine too. It won't hurt it any. It tastes really good. Just to make sure you stir that up really well. Then you put your tofu on top of your soba noodles, and you have a nice dish. All right, I hope that helped you. Bye-bye.